Okay, so this one is called Rua do Monte. So we're going to be walking up that direction in a minute. Before we do, this is basically where we're starting at. So we're kind of in this busy little square right in this triangle spot. So I'm going to walk briefly into these different directions, and then we're going to go up to Rua do Monte and kind of see what's up that way. So so that's basically the plan today. You can see the street sign right there, Rua do Monte. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. There are people coming down that hill. I mean, actually, it doesn't look that interesting, but it will be, because there's little, like a souvenir store. There's kind of cool stuff, but of course, if we go into this area, it'll look a lot busier and livelier. So we are going to go down in here. The lights are just starting to come on as well, and to the right is towards Sao Paulo ruins, which is this direction. And there's a lot of cool stuff every direction. And actually the street that we're going to go up is not too common, because there's so much other cooler stuff everywhere in this area, including this kind of interesting building right here. Let's see if I can... Yeah, actually there's also these little alleys everywhere too, like this one, Bodega. I have went in there. I'll just go in there briefly real quick, since they're kind of interesting. You never really know what you might see. This one just has a temple and some artwork. So anyways, we're going to be heading up Monte, but we're just kind of looking at some of these patios in the process. Of course, there's more stuff every direction here. There's kind of a big crosswalk right here, so let me just kind of come to it real quick. Okay, so Sao Paulo ruins is basically right up there. Lights are just coming on. There's some other streets that go down this way, Sao Paulo Street, and this one as well, and they all go down as well. Okay, so we're gonna do in a moment is we're just gonna scan it like that. Lights are just coming on, and those big crowds, they go all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins, so we're fairly close to it right now. And what we're gonna do is go back to our target street and go check it all out. Yeah, and actually, like going up there, it's like the energy, it moves downhill basically. There's a casino Lisboa right down that way. So we're going to be heading up this way in a moment towards Rua do Monte. Before we do, it's going to go, this one goes towards Sonata Square. And there's also these little patios everywhere as well. So there's a patio that goes deep into that one. There's actually a hair salon guy down in there as well. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up this hill. Yeah, when you go up the hill, it's like kind of a big contrast. This one is some Macau products. Okay. Fruit tea shop. Actually, this blue building looks kind of cool. It's really cool. So we are going to keep on going up that way. This is tomato. Yeah, like fusion Portuguese, Chinese. They do a lot of catering. Actually, and we've got some alleys. We're gonna head down this alley as well. This alley has a big yin yang right there, and a temple as well. So that space and that space. I might film in here. I'm gonna keep going up the hill, but that is a spot I'm gonna focus on later. Here's the Scola Khao Yip School. And we got all these little alleys everywhere too. This little patios, like this little patio. I'm pretty sure I filmed this before, but that's called Monte. So kind of cool photography. And the hair salon place. So we're still on Monte, and we're going to keep on going up. There's a nice temple up there as well. Before we go up, did I go at my thumbnail? Okay, let me see. Let's go to Filomena Street. Let's go to Monte. More little alleys. Miso. I have filmed in these before, but I think it's been about 2 years probably. Kind of cool. Okay. Hebrews Cafe. Shrimp pesto looks pretty good. Shawarma with garlic sauce. Some good looking food there. Looks like it's Filipino food. Hot salad. Pilau. More alleys. Got more alleys, more little pockets. Another little Beko de Porto. Oh, and there's a hotel right here called Dormi Boutique Hotel. That wasn't there during COVID. I don't know if it was closed at that time or if it's a new hotel. Looks kind of new. Calçada da Rocha. So now we're on a different street. But this does have this nice temple right here. It's been here quite a while. They get all this kind of shrines and kind of cool stuff. And you equally have this interesting stuff too. And then we're going to go up just a little bit further because I think Rashada kind of goes up to back us up all the ruins. There's a little patio right there. So kind of a nice space. We're basically on a different street. So we're going to end it. So kind of cool. So we basically just went down, we started way down there towards that where all the people were at, which was Monte. All the way down there. So we're just going to close it right here. Huh. Interesting. Okay. I guess that's hotel. It looks all brand new. Okay. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.